McAfee's Knob parking lot at the trailhead. We're about to do this hike. It's my birthday actually. It's Friday, July 1st. I was expecting a giant crowd based on the holiday weekend, but we got here and it actually seems rather empty, which is going to be great. It looks like we're going to have really good weather for the sunset. It's a little over 4 miles to the top, I think, and elevation gain of maybe like 1,700 feet or so. So yeah, let's go for it. Over by that sign where that truck's coming down, that looks like the fire trail, I believe. This way is the Appalachian Trail. You can kind of see it over there. So that's the route we're gonna go. Alrighty, we have made it back to the car park. It is pretty full here at about 9 o'clock in the morning, so this was a great hike. I highly recommend, if you do it, to hike up for sunset, spend the night up there, and then wake up for sunrise. Both sunset and sunrise were gorgeous today, so yeah, enjoy your hike.